Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of IV Endeavors. I hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today I'm coming back to you with a food video, that of chicken chow mein. Now here is the recipe. So friends, these are our ingredients for making the chicken chow mein. We are preparing the chow mein for say some 3 to 4 servings. We are taking 2 packets of Ching's veg Hakka noodles. Then we have our chicken, which has been marinated and kept overnight in the fridge. It is say some 200 grams of chicken marinated with salt, red chili powder, black pepper and some vinegar and kept overnight. Then here are our chopped vegetables. We have some long sliced carrots, then one sliced medium sized onion, some 8 to 10 pods of garlic sliced, then some chopped ginger, say 1 teaspoon. Then I had some spring onions as well, which I am going to add, as well as some sliced capsicum, cabbage. And then for sauces we have green chili sauce, red chili sauce, dark soy sauce and salt and pepper, and then I'll be using oil for frying. Now let's get started with the process. Now friends, one saucepan of water has been boiling and it's ready for the noodles to go into the boiling water. You have to be careful while boiling this Hakka noodles because they are pre-cooked and you have to follow the instructions that are there on the packet. We need to boil it just for 2 to 3 minutes and then we need to drain it. Our noodles are now ready. We are going to strain it. They have been boiling for some 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's strain it. We are straining it under cold water so that it gets cooled down immediately. I'm letting it cool down completely. Our noodles have drained and cooled down. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of refined oil to it, and I am going to just open the loops. It helps ensure that the noodles don't stick to each other. Now friends, it's time to start with our frying process. Make sure you take a thick bottom pan. I have warmed up some refined oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons of refined oil in the pan. Now one by one the vegetables will go into the pan. First of all, I am going to add my chopped garlic. We love the burnt flavor of the garlic as well as the smell. And make sure you fry all the vegetables on high flame. Now in goes my chopped onion. Give it a good stir. Now next I am going to add little bit crunchier vegetables. That are my sliced carrots and cabbage. Now I am going to add half a teaspoon of salt to my vegetables. You can add it as per your taste. Keep stirring the vegetables. Now next I am adding my chicken into the pan because it will take some time to fry. some good 3 to 5 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes of adding our chicken, we are adding some 1 tablespoon of soy sauce into the pan, and make sure it caramelizes like this. Friend, this will help that the chicken will absorb the soy. Now friends, I am adding my remaining vegetables, that are the chopped garlic and my spring onions as well as the capsicum. Let us fry it for some bit, and then we'll add our noodles into it. As you can see, the vegetables have got a crispy texture, and now we are going to add our noodles into it. Keep stirring it. At this point, friends, as per our taste, I am going to add little bit more salt into it to adjust the flavor. Then I am going to crush some black pepper. And then some more soy sauce. Say 1 tablespoon. Then I am adding some 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce. You can increase it as per your taste, and some 1 to 2 tablespoon of red chili sauce. And then we are going to mix everything together. This type of a spatula will also help you to mix the ingredients. And that's it, friends. Our crispy and juicy chow mein is ready to be enjoyed. It is loved by kids, and I am sure everyone in your family is going to enjoy it. Friends, I hope you liked my recipe of making chicken chow mein. If you liked the video, put a like button, share the recipe with your family and friends.